Hi!
Oh my god.
Are you awake yet?
Wow.
Are you awake yet, Nigel?
Practicing
I'm
shaking
a
somebody?
destructive man right now. Hey. You can have it. Whoa, that looks like the you remember Slenderman, the game?
There's a new movie coming out.
Yeah. It looks horrible. All right, so,
Onewheel.
where's the note? Oh, you make it, we skate it. One wheel note. I don't want to get a paper cut right now. That's like the least thing. Yeah, please. Thank you. Wow. Hey Braille, we are Onewheel. We made these awesome off-road electric skateboards with one wheel, hence the name. The #1 thing people say to us when we ride around is do a kickflip. So we made a one-of-a-kind one wheel for you guys to try and hopefully kickflip. Have fun, Onewheel. And you can find them at onewheel.com or at rideonewheel on Instagram. I love the notes that are short and to the point.
This
Appreciate
challenge
that.
is not for me.
So this is probably the worst possible video for you to be in, but also the best.
Oh, it's one of these thingies. I've always wanted to ride one.
What in the fork?
Whoa!
Dang!
There's 4 wheels on this one wheel.
And all 4 bolts.
Oh, is that one that's just
That's
like
that's a straight up one. All right, here, you can take this one. I'm gonna take that one, and I'm gonna.
Okay, I think I can kickflip it. This is actually very well put together.
You broke it.
There you go, baby. You got this. You got this.
Instruction manuals?
You don't need an instruction manual.
Exactly. We know what we're doing.
It's Braille colors.
Do we know what we're doing? There's a sticker. Is that a cape?
It's a cake.
It is.
I gotta find it.
Upside down. Can I
Are
get
these
this?
one-wheel business cards?
Wow.
We got a stack. Hey guys, this is where I work. One wheel. Don't got my name on it, but you
have
can
a card?
find me.
One
Do
wheel.
I have a
off,
card?
so
Yeah,
you
I
know
do
what
have a
you
card
guys-
actually. So if you want some more information on me and what I do, here's my card. It's One Wheel.
Daniel, how do we
onewheel.com.
turn this thing on?
Just the big button on the other side.
Oh, hey, the big button right here. Aha, we have power. All right, one wheel off. That was rude, I'm sorry. Oh! Oh!
Why are you good?
Oh! Oh! And we have one wheel.
Look at those lights.
Are there lights? There are lights in the front. These guys can skate the actual board. I'm gonna stick around on this thing the whole time.
Now how do you get out?
Much like that.
Let's see if I can do this.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, okay. Alright, well. This is super smooth. Oh my god, I'm going too fast. Okay, whatever. We're doing it. It didn't work.
When you were about to go up it, I just turned to Fetty and I said, oh, he's dead. And then he literally just died. It means you could ride Switch.
Why can't I ride these things?
Fetty's just not made for these types of electric things.
Someone's gonna take it off that kicker.
Oh no.
Cruising.
So you can ride forward, and in theory, oh, you can go Switch. Up the ramp off? Let's go. Dang.
Dang it.
You won.
I know.
How did I pull that off? How did I?
Oh, the kidney's fine, it's my hip. Something went into my hip, it doesn't feel good. All right, dude, I gotta get this thing, man. Oh God. Wow. You dropped a business card.
Oh.
I gave this to you earlier,
Yeah,
but
you
this is
did,
my
you
business
did.
card.
I'm
If
sorry.
you need any info on One Wheel, hit me up.
I gotta land it too, dude. I'm sorry. Nigel, how'd you go down this?
I did it.
trick I want to try on it, and then I would like to switch to that one. Oh, Nigel's doing it. What? Ready for this?
Oh! Yeah, you gotta do that, flip it back, and then go.
Oh, no. It's actually a pretty secure primo, though. It's a safe one. Wow. Oh. The LTX wheels, the solo wheel, like those I felt really comfortable on. This one, it kind of scares me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie.
Got him, coach.
Take it down to 3.
I think we can do that. After one try, you can tell Fetty's got it. You just gotta give it a full wang danger. God. Yes! And he manualed it too.
Why do you always fall so far away from the camera?
All right, let's go to the actual board. All right, kickflip off. I don't think I can kickflip this thing. Daniel, we are failing our jobs right now, literally. Yes!
I don't know if you got all that, but he was like, oh, and then tippy toed it. It was like, okay, here we go.
Nailed that. Flip off, flip off.
You're not trying?
All right, I'll try.
I don't know how this is gonna go. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, God, no, I'm not gonna land this. Are you kidding me? I'm not even gonna flip it.
Actually wasn't bad though, I got that.
You have that.
I guess I'm Aaron Kyro today.
Yeah.
I'm kicking straight down. I'm not flicking.
The real Aaron, not us. That was way better than his regular kickflips on a regular board. Oh! Wait, get off. I'll tell you why he didn't land the kickflip. Because he didn't turn it on.
I knew there was something going wrong.
The note specifically asked for kickflips, so everyone has to do a kickflip.
Well, prepare to be here for the rest of the evening.
Sorry guys, it's a full video of just Nigel landing this kickflip.
This is gonna be a long video. You guys ready? Starting 2 kickflips to go.
I know, I was like, what do I?
Oh no! Nigel, you break everything!
I broke it!
There's 2 sharp pieces somewhere.
Oh, that'll cut the fork out of you. Nigel, you better land this.
I told you.
Holy fork, heel flip off? Or should I just take the reins on
You
this
should
one?
just take the reins on this
All
one.
right, I got you. Scared my future children, man. All right, you know what? Look at the gab on myself.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Aussie?
I'll try one.
Oh!
Yeah, that is scary.
Wow. Wow. All right, who's got a no slide on it? Yeah.
We'll continue to roll?
He's got no slide?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Yeah. Went right to the shins. Anyway,
they just wanted to see a kickflip.
Yeah, well, they got many kickflips. That thing is putting some good holes in the walls, I can guarantee that. We need to hire someone on like the Fetty anti-hole protection unit. It's like every time they see him about to throw something, you just go tackle him.
That's basically Aaron.
Yeah, actually, the anti...
Thanks.
Puns have been like non-existent in this entire video. We need at least one wheel. That was literally the best backflip disaster I've ever seen.
Well, dude, that comes close to the metal 2x4. That was...
Oh, that too. That was amazing. If I were skating this on the mini ramp, I could probably do one trick, and that is a rock to fakie.
Kickflip back 50.
Yeah, you can't all leave a box, but you can flip back 50 though. Having the time of my existence.
Do you think he's gonna land at people? I guess we'll find out right now. Ollie, that's all I'm doing.
It's all right.
We're good.
So the truck is fully attached to that piece that just came off.
I gotta use it backwards.
Wow! Oh, we have some shatters. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know what's happening.
Counts.
All right,
That's your trophy.
thanks for watching. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you, Onewheel.
Comprehensive review on the actual product. That was incredible, first off.
Wasn't the cleanest roll away, but my feet are there, and I can't do it again, so that's the best you're gonna get.
Electric product-wise, you never ride these things.
No,
So
no,
I
no.
think it's a major success.
Yeah.
But seriously, a huge thanks to Onewheel for sending us one of their Onewheels. They're Santa Cruz based, so they're actually very close to us. So we always rep businesses that are nearby to us. And yeah, they're really sick. Let's just be straight and to the point with that. Fetty, thank you. Nigel, thank you.
Thank you guys, even though I feel like I didn't participate as much as I should have.
Well,
I'm trying to fix the razors, I'm sorry.
You did, and
Yeah.
you're fixing the bikes, which is very important to us.
Yes.
Seriously, a huge thanks to Onewheel for sending us all this stuff, and yeah, it was
Yes.
incredible. It was
Thank
a lot
you.
of fun.
It was fun.
So you can follow Fetty and Nigel on Instagram. The links will be in the description below, and you can also check out.
Onewheel at onewheel.com or at Ride Onewheel. I
On
remember that.
Instagram.
Why? Because I gave you the card, right?
This,
Oh,
this.
yes.
Yeah.
Look at that's on dirt.
I know. I work with them. I know.
And if you want to check out Onewheel, you can check them out on Instagram and Twitter at RideOneWheel, and their website is onewheel.com. So huge thanks to them. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Oh my gosh, that is just not right.